Hi, I'm Jane Peyton and I'm the principal of the School of Booze. Today's tutorial is about perry. What is perry? Perry is a drink that's made from perry pears. It's not pear cider, that's a commercial drink that's full of sugar and it's made with culinary pears. Perry pears are a particular type of inedible pear, full of tannins and acidity. They taste like wood. If you took a bite of one, it would either break your teeth or it would desiccate your mouth. Now, to make this particular drink, you chop the pears up, it's called scratting, and then you press those pears and the juice is fermented with yeast. The yeast converts the sugars. One of those sugars in perry pears is called sorbitol and it doesn't ferment, and so perry tends to have a sweeter character than other drinks, but the underlying tannins are there, very dry and peppery. Now, perry trees take decades to grow, so the Old English saying is that you plant pears for your heirs. Now, the School of Booze, you do your homework at the pub, and the textbooks are these. This is actually the same book, the contents are the same, it's just a different cover. You can buy them from my website, and I'll sign them and send them off to you. Cheers!